So if you want to know how to get a nice golden tan for the summer, watch to the end of the video to find out just how nice and golden your skin can look using the Sunright InstaGlow tanning gel. Okay, hi everyone, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Jess and this channel is for beauty and skincare lovers who want to learn about new products and how to do different styles with makeup. Okay, so the Sunright InstaGlow is a tanning gel. No matter the season, this product will give you a sun-kissed glow all year round. And you can start seeing results within 15 minutes of application. So now I just want to share some benefits of the Sunright InstaGlow tanning gel. So it delivers a instant bronze finish. It has low odor. It can't be washed off after a few hours of application. It has a light texture and it's easy to apply. And the great thing, it has a streak-free finish, so it can't stain any of your clothes. And lastly, it has a non-drip moisturizing gel inside. So I just wanted to share this video with you to show you what to do and how to apply this product to your skin. So this is what the product looks like, and as you can see, it comes in this nice bronzy looking tube, and up the top here you can see the name of the company, and round about in the middle here you can see the name of the product. Okay, so I'm just going to spread the tanning lotion evenly over my face, and I'm just going to put a bit on my hand, so let's get on with that. I'm just going to use my finger and evenly put it all over my face. Okay, I'm gonna just apply one more layer of this. Okay, so now I'm going to just apply some to my legs and put some of the tanning lotion on one leg and the other without, just so you can see the difference. So drop a comment down below on what you think of this product and would you give it a go as well. So I quite like this, how this has turned out. I can sort of see that it's like more of a golden look to my skin. It's usually the colour I go when I do get a tan in like normal summer years. So it does do quite a good job on my skin complexion anyway. It doesn't make me go really, really dark, but it just gives me like a nice golden, light golden glow. So yeah, I quite like it. So if you would like to purchase this product, please let me know, and you can talk to me down in the comments below, or you can reach me on my social medias, Instagram, Twitter, or my Facebook group, any of them. You can reach me there. They'll be here or down in the description below under me. I am selling these products, and also in my other videos I'm also selling the Power Lips Fluid, which is a smudge proof lipstick, and also mascara which makes your lashes extra long. So let me know if you want to purchase any of the products, whether it be this, the Power Lips, mascara, and many more products that my company does. So you can just let me know and I can put an order in for you straight away. So I really appreciate you watching this video, and if you liked it, please hit the thumbs up button just down there and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you later.